Exercise is medicine number one to prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's disease, dementia, Alzheimer, and also prevention is better than cure. But if you have the disease, it will slow down the disease or stop it. So exercise is very, very important to do it on daily basis and persistence. There are many types of exercise, for example, aerobic, which will last, for example, 45 minutes to 1 hour, like walking, brisk walking, swimming, running, jogging, hiking, dancing. So there are many activities which are called aerobic, meaning that the air is used to burn the nutrient to produce energy, and it will affect the health of the heart and the cardiovascular system and increase the blood to the brain. Also, there is the resistant exercises or strength exercises in which we use weight or we use our body weight, like in push-up, planks, and the planks could be high, medium, and low, lateral planks, squatting, lifting weight, and there are a lot of exercises about this subject. Of course, there are many books and articles and research about the effect of exercises on the human body as well as on animals. And the main finding, which they found even in 1960s, about the rats, because they could kill the rat after the experiment and they can't do such thing on a human. And they found that the number of nerve cells in the hippocampus, which is the center of memory, learning, and focus, the number of the cells is increasing, as well as the connection between the nerve cells, which we call in medicine synapses, in which the neurotransmitter, the chemical and the electrical signal transmitted between the nerve cells to do their function. Exercises also, there is stretching, which stretch the fascia, which is under the skin. And this fascia, it is dynamic and it connects every cell in the body, even it goes to make the valves in the heart. The contraction of the muscle, it will produce protein, which is called myokine. Myo, it is a term in Latin related to muscle, and kine mean chemicals. And this will go in the blood, and it will become attached to the receptors on every cells in the body, especially the brain cells, which they have receptors for myokine, and the heart muscles also. They have receptors to the myokine. And this will stimulate the cells to be healthier, because exercise is stress. And it will stimulate the cell to do healthy pathways, to become healthy, and to resist the stress and become resilient. In the brain, exercise will stimulate the production of BDNF, which is a brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is a protein. It is just like fertilizer, it will increase the connection and the synapses in the human brains, and especially the hippocampus, which is the area of memory, focus, and learning. So exercise is very good for those people who suffer from poor memory, or what they call low cognitive function. It is poor term. There is nothing poor cognitive function. It means the damage has happened in the brain cells, but they make the problem mild. So exercise is the foundation, number one, medicine, to prevent neurodegenerative diseases, and number two is sleep. Because during sleep, the brain will repair itself and wash itself from the toxicity. Sleep 8 hours in the complete darkness. Number three is food. The quality of food, how many times we eat, when we eat. This is very important message which I hope you all know, but this is a reminder because sometimes we forget. Thank you and goodbye.